In the world of Feng Shui, there are certain implements that possess extremely powerful energy and must be used with great reverence and awareness. The most famous, and also the most easily misused of these, is the Bagua Mirror. It is not an ordinary decoration. It is the ultimate energy shield for protecting a home against powerful Shi'aq. The core of a Bagua Mirror lies in the combination of the Bagua symbol and the reflective power of the mirror. The Bagua, originating from the I Ching, represents the 8 fundamental energy patterns of the universe. As a talisman, it has the inherent power to stabilize a space and calibrate energy. The mirror, then, is responsible for applying this power outward. It comes in 3 types. A flat mirror, used to gently reflect and disperse energy. A convex mirror, like a tortoise shell, used to scatter Shi'aq in all directions. A concave mirror, like a bowl, used to gather and absorb positive energy inward. The energy of a Bagua mirror is extremely potent and directional, much like a laser beam. Therefore, it has the strictest rule of use. It must always face outward and never inward. So, when and how should you correctly hang a Bagua mirror? Rule 1. Only use it to remedy major external Shi'aq. You should only consider using a Bagua mirror when your main door or a window directly faces a very strong external source of negative energy. For example, a hospital, a funeral home, a sharp building corner, or a large power transformer. Rule 2. Hang it directly above the door or window. Place the Bagua mirror directly above the door or window that needs protection, aiming it squarely at the source of the Shi'aq. Rule 3. The mirror must absolutely never face another person's home. This is the most important commandment. Reflecting the Shi'aq towards your neighbor's house is a highly unethical act that can cause Feng Shui battles. If someone lives opposite you, it's better not to use it, or to use a gentler cure, like plants. Rule 4. Hang it with reverence on an auspicious day. Choose a bright and calm day. Hang it up with the sincere intention of protecting your family in your heart. Intention is also a part of energy. The Bagua mirror is an embodiment of compassion and wisdom in Feng Shui. It reminds us that, while protecting ourselves, we must never harm others. This compassionate heart of non-harming is the highest form of Feng Shui. May you walk in harmony with the Tao, and may all your endeavors unfold with ease. In our next episode, we will tackle a popular topic in the workplace: how to guard against backstabbers. Thank you for watching.